Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Wadekar. I'm lead tech support analyst here at BMC Software. Today I'm going to talk about log simplification in Smart IT. Smart IT 1.501, we have introduced log simplification within Smart IT, and today I'm going to talk about that. You can refer the online documentation from which I followed the steps for this video tutorial. What this log simplification will do, once we enable this, the logging will be based on the username and tenant ID. This log file will capture the REST API calls and also the subsequent AR API calls. The REST API call will include the query parameters and payloads. It will help when you troubleshoot the performance issues and other issues. So let us see how we can enable this log and how we can read this log. So in order to enable this log, you have to edit the file logback.xml, which is present into the Apache Tomcat directory within external conf. So you can see on my screen, I logged into the my IT Smart IT server and I'm at the directory structure opt Apache Tomcat external conf. I can see this file logback.xml. Before making any changes, make sure you take a backup of the file. So let's just show the difference between logback.xml and logback.xml.tf. You can see that in the earlier log file, the log data access was set to false and we enable this parameter to true. Let me just walk you through this parameter vi logback.xml. If I search for the string, you can see the value is set to true. Once you set this value to true, wait for 30 seconds and there will be a log generated in the opt bmc smart IT logs folder. You'll see a log file name ux data access.log. Let us see the contents of this log file. Now I'm going to do a tel-f on ux data access.log, and you can see that it tries to fetch the data. Now let us do some activity. So here I'm logging to Smart IT console and I'm going to just access the asset console. So that will tell us what exactly it is doing. So the moment I load the asset console, you can see that it query the REST API call has been called UX REST asset get list with payload. And then basically if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that it's reading from the data AST base element with this query. And this time what I'll do is I'll say filter incident. The moment I change the filter, you can see that and the record it's queuing this form. It took this much time. Log will definitely help us. So when you're troubleshooting performance issues or if something is not working, check this file, share this file with the support so that they can know what exactly the system is doing, what kind of calls it is making. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.